Guys, Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. Now let me tell you why. We're going to be talking about the 4-hourly time frame, the shorter time frame, and we're also going to be talking about the longer time frame, the daily time frame, and what are my price targets for Bitcoin. We're also going to be talking about the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. So let's get started, guys. So currently we're in the 4-hourly time frame, and guys, take note, this is major resistance, previous major resistance. Now Bitcoin flipped it to major support. Now let me tell you why. Because you guys can clearly see that there is a reaction within this area right here. We got rejected right here, we got rejected right here, and now we flipped it to major support. And also, if we view the the daily time frame, guys, if we view the daily time frame and we go way back to around 2020, December of 2020, this was previous support. Bitcoin held this area as support right here before continuing up. So this is crucial. This is a very crucial level for Bitcoin. So we're in the daily time frame, but let's just talk about the 4-hourly time frame for now. So guys, yes, this is very bullish. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin turned previous major resistance to major support, and that is very good. You can clearly see that we dumped. We had a correction because I heard Tesla sold their Bitcoins, and we held this area right here. That is very bullish. Now we're having a pump. So this is good. I think Bitcoin's looking pretty healthy, but something very bullish just happened in the daily time frame, guys. Pay attention, pay close attention, guys. So this right here can be considered to be an order block. This is an order block. So there's a lot of liquidity there, and we just grabbed that liquidity. We had a liquidity grab right here, and now in the daily time frame we're having a strong reaction to the upside, guys. So yep, this is a daily order block. That's a very huge order block, an order block on the daily time frame. That's acting literally as a major support right now. We took liquidity, and now we're on our way up. So what are my price targets for Bitcoin in the immediate short term? Well, my price target for Bitcoin is around $28,000 to $31,000 right here. It's my next major resistance level. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to continue pumping to our next major resistance level, and that's gonna be if you long Bitcoin right now, and let's say we go to this area right here, that's a 20% to 34% return if you long this one. I'm not telling you guys to long, but that's my price target for the daily time frame. So let's talk about the weekly time frame. So yes, it seems like the bottom was in. I'm not saying that the bottom was in, but it could be. I think, in my personal opinion, that the bottom was in. Just take a look at the RSI, everybody. Every time we went to this level right here, which is the oversold area, that's when usually the market tends to reverse to the upside. That's when the bottom usually happens. So maybe the bottom was already in, you know. So that's pretty good. I'm really bullish for Bitcoin. I'm really happy that maybe this is the bottom. So also, here's a longer chart. This is major support and resistance right here. So I just connected it, you know. Now, yep, seems like the bottom was in. And also, guys, take a look at the moving averages. We broke past the 200 moving average right here. And now I'm expecting it to retest it as support in the weekly time frame. So maybe we're going to be dumping a week from now, and then continue moving up. So yes, very good. We didn't get rejected right here, but the weekly candle hasn't closed yet, so let's be careful. Okay, this is major resistance, but for now it's flipped to support. I want to see it hold, but what's good is we're above the 200 moving average, but there's a chance we may continue dumping because this is acting as major resistance. But the good news, we're above it. Now I just want to see Bitcoin hold it as support, and we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. So my target's still the same for the short term. I'm targeting $28,000 to $31,000 per Bitcoin. And if we break this resistance right here, which is major resistance, to be honest, that's really good. We're gonna be moving to higher prices. But we're in a bear market, so I believe in the longer weekly time frame. Here's my prediction. We're gonna be moving sideways for a year or two. And until the next Bitcoin halving, we're gonna be moving up. So yeah, Bitcoin for now is looking extremely bullish. And if you guys just like what I said right now, then drop a like to this video. If you think what I said was just really nice, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody.